Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kantari. I am going to today topic is drug discovery and development. The process of drug discovery and development is complex and involves several critical steps starting from identifying a potential target to getting regulatory approval. Here's the sequence of steps involved in details. First one is target identification and validation. Then target identification. This step involves in identifying a molecular target such as a gene, protein or receptor that is associated with a disease. Then target validation. The identified target is then validation to ensure it plays a crucial role in the disease. If the target is inhibited or inactivated, it should have a beneficial effect on the disease. Then hit identification. High screening. Large libraries of chemical compounds are screened to find hit, which are molecules that interact with the target. This is done using high screening STS. Hits are the initial molecule that can interact with the identified target in a desired manner. Third, hit to lead generation. After hits are identified, they are optimized for potency, selectivity, and other drugs like properties. Chemists modify the structure of hit compounds to create leads compound, which shows stronger activity against the target. Then fourth one is lead optimization. The lead optimization compounds undergo further optimization to improve their efficacy, reduce toxicity, and ensure they have favorable pharmacokinetics properties, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion (EDME). Then multiple iteration of chemical modification are made during this stage to improve the drug candidate. Then preclinical testing. In vitro test tube or cell culture and in vivo animal studies are conducted to evaluate the safety, efficacy, and toxicity of the optimized drug candidate. During this stage, study of pharmacokinetics (PK) and pharmacodynamic (PD) of the drug. Understand how the drug behaves in the body. Then investigational new drug IND application. After successful preclinical testing, the drug developer submits an IND application to the regulatory authority, example FDA in the US. The application includes data from preclinical studies and the proposed plan for clinical trials in humans. 7. Clinical trials. Clinical trials are conducted in 3 phases to test the drug's safety, efficacy, and dosage in humans. Phase 1. Small group of healthy volunteers, 20 to 100 people, are given the drugs to assess its safety, dosage range, and side effects. Phase 2. Phase 2. A larger group of patients, people with the disease, is treated to determine the drug's efficacy and further evaluate safety. Then Phase 3. Large scale studies. 100 to 300 people are conducted to confirm the drug's effectiveness, monitor side effects, and compare it with standard treatments. Then new drug application NDA. Submission. If the clinical trials are successful, the company submit a new drug application NDA to the regulatory authority. Thank you.